Sir Philip Sidney, Sonnet 45 from Astrophil and Stella. Stella oft sees the very face of woe painted in my beclouded stormy face, but cannot skill to pity my disgrace, not though thereof the cause herself she know. Yet hearing late a fable, which did show of lovers never known a grievous case, pity thereof gate in her breast such a place that from that sea derived tears spring did flow. Alas, if fancy, drawn by imaged things, though false, yet with free scope more grace doth breathe than servants' rack, where new doubts honour brings, then think, my dear, that you and me do read of lovers' ruin some sad tragedy. I am not I. Pity the tale of me.